Hey, what is up guys? Matt here from the Toasty Bros, and happy Sunday to you all. Today I'm going to be bringing you an announcement video. I'm actually getting ready to announce a giveaway that I'm doing in partnership with our friends over at TechGuided. I recently got in contact with them, they actually reached out to me, and they wanted help promoting their $800 PC giveaway. This is very exciting because this is the biggest giveaway our channel has been in collaboration with. Regardless of them being the one giving it away, they wanted help in promotion of it, and well, I couldn't say no. Now this giveaway is US and international, so anyone can enter the giveaway, and the link is in the description down below if you're just ready to go ahead and enter. But let me explain real quick exactly what you get. So the winner of the contest gets $800. $800 to pick PC components or accessories to build a brand new gaming PC or upgrade their existing system. Plus they get a free copy of Windows 10 that is not included in the $800 budget. So overall, you are getting a really awesome entry here to possibly win a full system or get a crazy good upgrade on your PC, which would be very nice nowadays with the GPU pricing being so high, to get an $800 budget to possibly get a high-end GPU to throw in that new system of yours that you may have sitting around. So if you want to enter this giveaway, be sure to hit the link in the description down below and enter the Gleam giveaway. You know how Gleam works, you do a bunch of requirements and then you're entered to win the giveaway. Now the contest runs until February 28th at midnight Pacific time. So be sure to enter if you really want to get in on a possibility of winning $800 worth of components. And that about wraps this video up here, guys. I just wanted to make this quick announcement video for you all to enter in this really awesome giveaway. As mentioned before, link in the description down below. And if you haven't already, be sure to drop a like on this video, share with your friends, subscribe if you're new, and follow us on Twitter for more behind the scenes coverage and all that sort of stuff. And I hope to see you all in the next video, guys. Peace out.